Welcome you guys again to a great video. Let's start without any further delay. As you would know, the MacBook Air 15 has just been launched by the Apple company. You will have many questions regarding MacBook Air 15 which will be cleared in this video. If you want to buy a MacBook Air 15, then definitely watch this video till the end. Maybe this video can be important for you. MacBook Air 15 comes in 4 colors: silver, midnight, space gray, starlight, and these 4 colors are best. You will definitely tell which color you like in the comment. The name of this new model of Apple is MacBook Air 15, which comes for $1,249. We have given the link in the description, you can also check it. Apple MacBook Air 15 comes with 8GB unified memory and 256GB SSD storage, in which you will be able to do almost all the work easily, like video editing, coding, online studies, browsing, etc. There is a request to all of you. If you all are liking the video on this channel, then do subscribe to this channel. This MacBook Air 15 of Apple comes with Mac OS operating system. If we talk about its special feature, then a 1080p Full HD display with IPS technology will be seen, in which you can enjoy movies or gaming in Ultra HD. This display is 15.3-inch, diagonal, LED backlit display with IPS technology, 2880 by 1864 native resolution at 224 pixels per inch with support for 1 billion colors, 500 nits brightness, white color, P3, True Tone technology. This model of Apple comes with M2 chip processor, which is a very powerful processor, due to which it becomes very fast, and in this you get a backlit Magic Keyboard with Touch ID, which makes typing fun in this laptop. Backlit due to having a Magic Keyboard, you will be able to use it easily even at night. If we talk about graphics, then you will get to see graphics with integrated Apple 10-core GPU, in which you will be able to do 4K video editing, due to 10-core IPS display. You can also do Ultra HD gaming in it. If we talk about charging and expansion, then in this you will get MagSafe 3 charging port, 3.5mm headphone jack, 2 Thunderbolt/USB 4 ports with support for charging, DisplayPort, Thunderbolt 3, up to 40 gigabits per second, USB 4, up to 40 gigabits per second, and USB 3.1 Gen 2, up to 10 gigabits per second. Apple has given almost all the ports in this MacBook Air 15, which makes this laptop more special. In this, you get wireless technology with 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6 wireless networking. Bluetooth 5.3 is available. Overall, if we talk, then this laptop is the best. If you are a student or looking for a laptop to do some online work, then Apple MacBook Air 15 is the best choice for you. You can buy it without thinking anything. If you buy it online from the link in the description, you will get MacBook Air with M2 chip, 30W USB-C power adapter, M2 with 8-core GPU, or 35W dual USB-C port power adapter, M2 with 10-core GPU, in the box. Core GPU and 512GB storage, and USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable, 2M. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe to the video. Thank you. See you in the next video.